Recording started.
What's up everyone, it's Sandberg and today we're back again with another video, and it's been a long time since I uploaded. So I am playing Anime Fighter Simulator and I have a kind of selling glitch for you all. So I'm just gonna sell this. I'll show it to you, but you first have to like and subscribe for more. So when I go to the current world I'm in and buy any egg, so then hatch, it doesn't matter, but then I'll go to the time chamber, then make them shiny. Just one of these. Yeah, after you made them shiny, you're gonna go put it into the incubator, which, yeah, just incubator, then wait for like 2 minutes. I'm waiting it to get to 629 level. Okay, so while we're waiting for that, I'm just I'm near the last world. I'm still ending, but with this glitch I can easily get past 4 of these. So after that has been there for like 2 minutes to 5 minutes, then we'll go withdraw it and you see the price. And after you sold it, you're gonna go straight to your portal and buy this. Yeah, that's it. It's too OP. So maybe when you guys will get back, this might get fixed. And I'm already at Slayer's village. And yeah, this is it, the final one, and it's very OP. So make sure to like the video and subscribe. I'm sorry if I stuttered because I'm not good at English. So I reached it very fast by just making a fighter shiny and putting it into the incubator, then selling it. Yeah, I guess that's it. Maybe tell the devs about this so it stays. Okay. Goodbye, and I might upload this. Yes, I might upload. But if you guys want more videos like this, then I'll do it. I have the next May Rush art. Bye.